Today we're going to talk about an undermount sink and an issue that I've run into when you're talking about these drains. I'm going to flip this around here so you can see. I just installed this new sink, love it, but the issue and the problem that we're running into, and a lot of people don't know this is the garbage disposal side now that the customer wants to use. Okay, and as you can see, if I go underneath, there's the garbage disposal. The problem is the attachments that come with this that go into here is not going to fit into your garbage disposal, right? So you're going to run into the issue because this is a standard drain line. Okay, so if you were hooking this particular piece up to a standard drain line without the garbage disposal, this whole unit will work. Okay, but if you are wanting to use your garbage disposal, you are not going to be able to use this piece or anything that comes with it, which is really nice because this has the little basket in it, it's got the black, and then it also has the top, right? And this is a black stainless. It's very hard to find the black stainless. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to get your silver flange, right? Which is going to go here for your garbage disposal, okay? Which doesn't look too good, right? Because it's silver. We want it to all match, okay? And this I found on Home Depot, went to, and this is going to work perfectly. So it's a sink strainer. Okay, I'm going to open this up here. And I'll show you exactly what we're talking about. Now, unfortunately, you know, I should be able to use this top piece. I don't think I'm going to be able to use this basket, okay? And everyone likes this basket. But if you, let's say you have a customer who doesn't use the garbage disposal and they like the basket, well, guess what? You could just use your regular drain line, okay? But you're gonna see this, it's a real popular sink right now. We're doing a bunch of these, but this is what we've run into when somebody wants to use the garbage disposal. So this whole piece comes out like this, okay, and it's going to have the top. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to take that seal off right there. I'm just going to unscrew it. I'm going to just put this back over here so you guys can see. I'll unscrew this real quick. And when we unscrew this, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. We're able to then put that over the flange and that silver part, and then you're not going to see that ugly silver. Okay. I mean, I'm sure someone's going to say, oh, can you paint it? You probably could. I wouldn't suggest it because it could chip eventually and get all, boogered up. So I would just, leave it alone. But we took that edge off right there and voila. Boom. It sits right in there. Now you're still going to see a little bit of the silver, but it's obviously sitting in there way better. We're going to take this out here just so you can see. Still works. But that is if you are going to use the garbage disposal. Now if I try to put this basket in here, I could still use it, but you know what? The basket's not flush anymore, right? So it's really not going to work with the basket. But let's take our cap here, and guess what? We can still put our cap on top, and the water's still going to come down. So that looks great. You don't see the silver. Looks fantastic. So again, we're talking about if you want to use, and your customer wants to use the garbage disposal, that's the process and the setup you're going to have to use in order to do that, because what comes with the sink is not going to work, okay? And one that we found at Home Depot is a Glacier Bay fixed post sink strainer. So I hope this all helps y'all, and we'll talk at you later. Bye.